guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Anasha, aka Drippy Nails. I am bringing you guys another nail submission episode where you guys send in your work to be reviewed, reacted to, and I give constructive criticism. So let's jump right into this video. Before I jump into this video, I want to shout out my brow girl. Her name is Slayed by Jessie. You guys can check her out on Instagram. She is in the Chicago. She's in the Chicago area. She's really good. She specializes in threading, okay, and henna lamination. She's amazing. I'm gonna insert some clips so you guys can see what her suite looks like. It's so pretty, so phenomenal. So check out this little clip right here of Slayed by Jessie before we jump into this video. She really brought my brows back out of quarantine. I have been growing them out all last year, was not touching them or anything, and she finally did a cleanup for me. And we also tried henna on my on my brows, and they are phenomenal. I really love her. She's great. She's in the Chicago area. I'm in Chicago if you don't know this, but definitely check her out. Okay, so the first nail submission I have is from Jalen. She says, "Hello there, my love. Hi." Oh my god, that's funny. "Here are some pictures and videos of my work. Thank you for doing this. A lot of nail techs wouldn't even take the time." You're definitely right about that. A lot of nail techs are very stingy with their knowledge. I'm a newbie still. I just made 2 years today. Actually, I just made 2 years as a nail tech today. Oh my gosh. But you're right, Jalen. A lot of nail techs are very stingy with their knowledge, but of course you're on my channel and I'm not stingy at all. I'm not a stingy bitch. I give plenty of knowledge. Free 99. Fucking me. Excuse my language. Oops. Please don't demonetize me. Okay, so we are going to start with the first video. Okay, these are cute. These are some shorties. And it looks like a nail decal. Okay, so first off, what I get from this video, I can't really see. The quality isn't the best, but I'm not gonna blame you. It's okay. These nail decals look really good. From what I can tell from this video, like I said, it's a little blurry, so I can't give you too much constructive criticism. But I mean, your application looks really smooth. I don't know what the cuticles look like, so I'm not really gonna say anything about it. But overall, from this video, just quick glance, like, you got it, girl. This is nice. Decals laying flat, smooth. This is good. I like this. So we have video number 2. Ooh, okay, so we've got some oval shaped nails. Okay, I like these. Your cuticles look flush, really good. You did some like little white line tips. Good. Okay, I like this. I like your thumb, by the way. Your thumb is really nice. I like that little marble that you have. Me personally, I'm not a fan of oval. Oval is tedious in my opinion to get down, like to make them all match and all be like equally like oval. And I won't say that I have OCD or anything, but I am a perfectionist and you're very close to it. But me, I critique everything personally. But if I just sit back and look at it, like, you did your thing on this. This looks really good. Your application is flawless. I love your thumb. I keep looking at your thumb more so than I'm looking at her nails, but I like this. Okay. Ooh, are these the ovals painted? These the ovals painted? Okay. If these are the ovals painted, yes, your cuticle beads. Oh, phenomenal. Your cuticle beads are amazing, hun. Really good. really good. So you know what you're doing. I don't even, why are you sending videos? Why are you sending your work? Your work's good. Your work's good. I like this. You're really good. You're talented. Smooth application, no lumps, no bumps. Like I said, ovals are a little bit harder to do because you're just trying to make them perfectly round. It is harder to do, but you executed this. This looks really, really good. Madam Glam gel polish. They are a vegan, cruelty-free polish. You guys know how I feel about gel. What I say about this company that really made me excited to work with them was that they are vegan and they're cruelty-free. I can't find any other brands that are cruelty-free or vegan, and I have been looking into more gel polish companies because I am starting to offer pedicures and I'm not using regular polish. So I'm looking for a really good brand to work with, and what do you know, Madam Glam wanted to team up with me and sent me some of their gel polishes for me to test out. And when I tell you, like, I was able to get full coverage with just one stroke of the brush. Like, this is a really good brand. On to the next picture, we have some round nails. These are pretty. These look like opals almost. Okay. All right, sis. Okay. Volume down so I can really like look at these and not jam out, because you guys know I like music. Like, I used to be a musician. So anyways, these are really nice. These look like oval. These are oval nails. These are oval nails. Oval rounds. Like I said, these shapes, oval round shape is really hard to do because, I mean, it's got to be round. And I mean, have you drawn a circle before? That shit is hard. So like, imagine trying to file that. You know what I'm saying? One thing I will say is, like, I feel like there's a little bit, I don't know what it is. Because they look like they're right. It's just the shaping. It looks just like it's just the shaping. Like, your application looks good. It doesn't look like you have too much acrylic on the nails, but I can't really tell. But like I said, round and square, I mean, not square. Round and oval nails are very hard to master. I've done them maybe like twice. They're really hard to do, and not a lot of people asked for them. So one thing I will say about the design though, I like the design. I will say when it comes to like your video, the quality of your video, definitely try and invest in maybe a better quality camera if possible. So you can get like a crisp, like very clear visual of your work. The way that you placed her hand, I will critique that. The first hand, perfect. Zoom in. You really want to like show your work. But the other hand placement, you know, people need to work on their placements. Like modeling, hand modeling is a real thing, guys. You want them to model your work. This is your work. This is your prize. So work on a little bit of the hand modeling with your clients. It will take time. Even myself, like, I still be looking at some of my old stuff, like, what the hell? But yes, most definitely look at some hand positions. But I do like this set. Ooh, okay, we have a Ferrari red. I like Ferrari red. Ferrari red is really good for complexions that are like more like more paler skin, more like cooler tone. Looks really, really good with Ferrari. I mean, all colors look good with colors, but you know, certain, like, you do want to tell your clientele what colors do look best on their skin color, but at the end of the day, I mean, it is their nails, so they have to, you know, they're the ones picking it, but you can always tell them what will complement them. This is a great complementary color on her skin tone. That was like the first thing that popped out, was like, yeah, this color, she doing her shit. So I will say Apex, beautiful. Cuticle bead, beautiful. Gel polish, you guys know I'm not a fan of it because it does mess with your shape, but your shaping is very nice. I can tell that it is not your fault that it looks rounded on the edges. It is the gel. When it comes to the rhinestones, one thing I will say about the rhinestones on the tips, if you want the design to look like, you know, like cuter, maybe start with a smaller one and then a bigger one. Like, do some sizes. Don't put the same size. I feel like when you really do like rhinestone designs and stuff, which are very hard to do as well, like that's a whole nother ball game. But you know, just to bring out more of like the art side, bringing it out more, so making the nails look just more aesthetically like pleased. I won't say it's not I don't say that they look bad, but I'm just giving you a tip. But I'll just say, like, if you maybe put like a little teeny tiny little teeny tiny rhinestone, and then you put a bigger one, I think it would have, ooh, perfect. But these are still cute. Like, these are still cute. You do your thing. Like, I'm really not even critiquing your work, because I can tell, like, you have a great application. Like I said, I don't know why you sent this in. Oh, she did send her Instagram name. I was looking for it. Her name is Painted by Jaeling. So it's Painted by Jaeling. Check her out on Instagram. I will definitely insert her name in the description box below, as well as her work in this video. So let's go on to the next nail submission.